Hey, good afternoon. I'm so glad you guys are here today. I'm here with Brenda Scott. She's a professional home organizer and the owner of Tidy My Space, specializing in organizing homes for those that are aging in place. And I'm super excited that you guys are here with me today. I am really excited that we get to have this conversation because we are talking about organizing and cleaning homes for our parents, for those that are our clients, for those that are our neighbors, people that we are close to. It could be relatives, it could be us. And so that's why we have Brenda here with us today. And she's an expert on safe living. So please help me welcome Brenda Scott. Brenda, how are you today?
Great. Thank you for having me.
What are some of the questions that customers ask you when they're in the process of creating a safe place, either for themselves or for their parents?
They usually ask me, how much is it going to cost? And is it going to be cheaper than putting them into a retirement home? That's one of the things they
Uh,
always ask because a lot of times it's the older children are trying to figure out how can mom and dad be safe without always calling me because they're not always around. So they're always asking, is this going to be something that will last a while, or am I eventually going to have to move them anyway? So they're looking at the money factor of, can I do this reasonably and let them stay there for, maybe 5, 10 more years? Or is this a 1 year and they're going to have to move? It can be as simple as, like I said before, just moving a few things and making sure that their mats are taped down on the edges and the corners and putting things where they need them. It's sometimes a really simple fix, but most people are just asking how long it's going to last before it has to be changed again. And that's something that you can discuss with, okay, you don't need that yet, but you're going to need that in 5 years or 10 years. So you just plan for their future, and that's some of the questions that they're asking.
And I think planning for the future is a really important key. I know that I'm youthful right now, and right now I can climb in and out of bathtubs just fine. But as I'm moving to a new house, and we're selling our home right now, moving into a new house. In the new house, I'm having all walk in showers installed. And I hope if I live there for many years, that when the day comes and I'm not able to hop in and out over the ledge of a bathtub, which comes up to my knee, that it will be easy just to walk in and out, where that's going to be easier, the older I get. And what really drew my attention to that is I had knee surgery this year. And to try to get my knee up and over into the tub, I was like, whoa. And then I start thinking in terms of, okay, in a minute I'll be healed and I'll be fine. But what if I wasn't? What if I was older and I couldn't climb in? We got an issue there. So, how can I prepare for the future? And so, I love these conversations because this is helping us pay closer attention. How could things be differently? And right now, I'm able to climb up on a ladder and I'm able to get stuff in the way top covered, but the day will come when it's not safe. And I know for my dad right now, we have told my dad, you do not get on a ladder. You call somebody, we'll help you, but do not get on a ladder because he gets on a ladder and then he falls.
Or get up on a chair. I've seen that.
Worse than that, and I hate to say this because I've seen this from my clients in the cleaning business, where you go to a customer's home and the client will have like one of those chairs with the wheels on it. And they're like, well, it's just a chair. No, 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 it's a chair with wheels on it. Don't you dare stand on that. And then they start slipping and sliding around. And one guy toppled over. Well, that's lousy. And another one climbed up on a folding chair. Well, the folding chair by its nature folds. So you step on it, you put your weight on it, and it folds backward. And he got sandwiched in there. And then he fell over. We need to keep seniors off chairs and step ladders. Just is not good.
No, it's not good. And it's not just seniors, too. We all get kind of clumsy, or we're trying to do something fast. You end up dropping something or stepping off or thinking that there's one more step. It's not good.
Thank you so much for today. This was really awesome. And I appreciate you guys jumping in and adding your questions and joining the conversation. So thank you. Until we see you again, take care and please leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.